Welcome to Expert SCM Supply Chain Knowledge Sharing session. In this session, we are going to see a warehouse term called wave picking or cluster picking. Wave picking, also known as cluster picking, is one of the several order picking systems used in warehouses to improve the efficiency of operation. It involves releasing specific orders to the floor for fulfillment based on a common factor such as shipping date, like items, warehouse zone, etc. Rather than scheduling a number of pickers per shift and then hoping that the orders will flow accordingly, wave picking helps team to meet specific commitments such as filling a set number of orders per shift or meeting a shipping deadline. To do so, wave picking focuses on when orders are picked. Management aligns a short picking interval or waves that correspond with the other warehouse variables such as transportation plan or departure schedule. The result is that orders are grouped and then picked, but only at certain times during the day. Teams gain efficiency primarily by reducing or eliminating picker idle time. In other words, a wave might not be scheduled until all orders up to a certain deadline have come in, so pickers don't have to spend time wasting for the instruction. Wave picking can improve order picking efficiency by scheduling wave according to the shipping schedule, carrier, and other factors. Wave picking does not describe a single defined process. There are several variations of wave picking, and it is often combined with the other picking methodologies. Advantage of this process include timely shipping, a lower bottleneck, and less travel time, but it can be hard to process urgent or last minute order. Effective wave picking relies on complex data analysis that is best done by WMS or warehouse management system. Thanks for watching. Bye.